Boy who cried wolf. A boy was sent to take care of the village sheep. He watched over the sheep for a long time. He got bored for he had nothing to do, so he decided to have some fun. He started to shout as loud as he could, "Wolf! Wolf!" Some men working in the fields nearby heard him. Quickly they ran to help him. They had sticks to drive the wolf away. They were surprised not to see a wolf there. "Where is the wolf?" they asked. "There is no wolf," laughed the boy. "It was so funny seeing you all running for nothing." The men were angry and went away grumbling. The next day, when the boy went to watch over the sheep, he again shouted, "Wolf! Wolf!" loudly. This time the men said, "It is only that boy calling out for fun. He will not fool us this time." So no one came to drive away the wolf that really came and took off with one of the sheep. The boy was very sad. He said to himself, "I will never again shout, 'Wolf, wolf,' when there is no wolf."